All right, guys, let's just check where we are at the moment in time. Okay, as you can see, guys, we have managed to create a neat header or let's say navigation bar. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to add a hero section. Okay, let's just go to our UI and see what we want to do. As you can see, guys, here there is a nice beautiful picture here with an image. So for us, we're just going to choose a picture randomly and then use it. Okay, so check here. I've went to this website pexels.com and I chose this image and I downloaded it, so it's already on my machine. Okay, so as you can see, guys, these are different sections. Okay, based on what I see here, this is some sort of the height of the screen, this one, and also from here to here is the height of the screen, and also from here to here is the height of the screen. So these sections are some sort of 100% VH. Okay, yes. Okay, so let's continue. So what we want to do, we want this image to fill in the entire screen. Remember, there is also a header there. So how are we going to solve that? We are going to do some CSS calculations. Okay, so let's first work on the calculations part of things. Okay, so we need some sort of a div, okay, that will fit on the remaining area. Okay, let's see, this is a div. Okay, let's say this is a hero section, or I should have said hero image, but that's not much of a problem. As you can see, guys, here is it here. So what we want to do here, we want to put a class name. Okay, first of all, let's just put a bg, let's say green. Okay, something that will be some sort of different. Okay, as you can see, guys, so the width automatically is full, but let's just reinforce the width to be full. Okay, I don't like things when are happening by default, because sometimes you might have a small bug there or whatever, and you think that things are working and you neglect to reinforce things, and then when you are on production and be like CSS is misbehaving. So let's make sure that we are in control. So what I want to do, I want on the entire height of the screen, which is the view VH, okay, I want to subtract only this height, so that the difference to that, it can be this remaining area, which is going to be the hero section. Okay, so let's quickly do that, guys. Okay, so let me just show you something that h of full might not work. Okay, as you can see, if in case you might think, let's make h of full, which is 100%, which is it will fill in the entire area. So this doesn't work. So what we need to do here, we need to put an arbitrary value, and then we need to use the calc function. Okay, CSS calc function. Okay, calc function. Okay, and then let's open the bracket. So what we want to do, we want 100% VH, okay, which is the height of the screen, and then we want to minus, we know that the height of this is 80 pixels. Okay, so let's minus 80 pixels. What else do we need to do? If all is well, I think this is supposed to work. Let's just save, guys, and see. So as you can see, guys, okay, our calculation is working perfect. We are taking the 100% of your view width, we are minusing 80, and this is what we get. So when it comes to styling, guys, okay, you must always, what can I say, be like Einstein and always think about the theory of relativity. Okay, so even though this is not the actual theory of relativity, but things are relative. Okay, things are styled relative, things are positioned relative to each other. Okay, so don't think of only what you are styling. Always think of the parent and see what are the styles there that might hinder you or that might work against you in trying to achieve what you want to achieve. So let's check on the container here. As you can see, the width is full. I'm happy with that, but it doesn't have the height. Okay, remember, this section is going to be this one. Okay, as you can see, it's going to be long, it's going to have a lot of sections here, so the height of this needs to be auto. Okay, the height of this needs to be auto. What does that mean? It means that any section that you add there, it will expand accordingly. Okay, so I think I'm happy with apologies about that. I'm not supposed to save this. Okay, so I'm happy about this. Let's for now, we can't scroll up and down because this fits exactly this. Okay, so in the entire width or height of the screen, we are only subtracting the header, which is 80 pixel, and the remaining, the difference, we use that difference as the height of this. Okay, I'm happy with that. So as you can see, guys, -1 problem. And then problem number 2, we need to fill in an image here. Okay, remember we said we've already downloaded an image. Okay, and here is that image. Let's just copy this image from here. Okay, and then what we want to do, we want to come here on public. Where are the public files? Where are the public files? Okay, let's go to reveal in Explorer. Okay, and then go to public, and then let's click here and let's put assets. Okay, assets, yes, I think we already had this folder. I don't know how I might have deleted it. Okay, I really don't know. Okay, my apologies about that. Okay, so let's just create a new folder, which is img. Okay, that means here we are going to have some images. Okay, as you can see. So let's just, guys, quickly go back to our downloads. Okay, I think on our downloads we are supposed to have a logo here, which is the logo. Okay, we can just copy this and go back here on assets. Okay, not on images. Suppose we do have a logo here. Okay, my apologies, maybe I've deleted this by mistake. Just click again. Okay, and then we can just, I think this was just logo. Okay, okay, guys, thank you so much for that. And then let's just refresh and see if there won't be any issues. As you can see, guys, there are no, yeah, there are issues. Okay, yes, there are issues. Let's just quickly see how we are going to solve this. My apologies about that. Maybe I deleted this by mistake. Go here. What's the name of that? Okay, it's assets and logo.svg. Don't we have that here, public? Okay, my assets spelling, as you can see, guys, apologies about that. Asset spelling, and then let's just click save and see. Click save and see. Assets logo.svg. Don't we have that here? Logo.svg. Okay, guys, we will deal with this later. This is supposed to work fine. Okay, since now we are concentrating on this one. Okay, I'm just going to fix this later. My apologies about that. So let's see. So what we want to do now, we've got public, okay, assets. Okay, let's see here, public assets, and then we've got logo.svg. Do we have that? We've got logo.svg, but I don't think it's on assets. Okay, on assets there's nothing. Let's just drag this to here and see. Okay, or let me just cut it and paste it here. Okay, I think now it's on the right place. Okay, let's continue, guys. So what I want to do now, okay, as you can see, guys, the image is back. So what I want to do now, I want to set this green area. Okay, I want to some sort of add an image in there. Okay, so how are we going to do this? My apologies about this. So let's close this, and then I want that area. Let's see, it's supposed to be on page. Okay, where is my page here? Let's see, I am on app here. This is where I want to be, and I want this page. Where is that page? The page that I'm looking for. My apologies about that. Looks like I'm lost in my own code. Okay, as you can see, guys, here is the hero section. So I want to add a CSS style here that will add the image. Okay, so I might as well delete this background. Okay, so let's set the BG. Okay, let's set the BG. Go back here. Let's set the BG to, okay, and then let's set it to an arbitrary value. Okay, and then from there we need to add this URL function. Okay, URL function, and then we type the path of the image. Okay, my apologies about that. Okay, let's see. Okay, cool. So as you can see, guys, this is complaining simply because we've got these single ticks everywhere, so we might as well put the double ticks double ticks around, and then put this, as you can see, guys. Okay, so the problem was we're having double ticks and double ticks here, so it was some sort of causing some sort of confusion. I think Tailwind CSS was confused, and it's understandable. So we want to go to assets, we want to go to IMG, and we want to go to hero. Okay, I am not sure of the extension of that image, but I'm just assuming that this is the extension .jpeg, but we can go and confirm. Okay, happen to be correct. Let's save, guys, and see. Okay, as we can see, guys, it looks like we are winning. Okay, so let me remove this hero section. Now we don't really need it. Okay, now there are some things that we need to work on. As you can see, this image, it's some sort of repeating. Okay, where it ends, this is the actual height of the image, but in order for it to continue here, it will repeat. We don't want that. Let's see if on Tailwind CSS we've got BG no repeat or something like that. Oh, sorry, BG no repeat. No repeat. This is what I want. Let's see what will happen. As you can see, guys, it doesn't repeat. Let's see, in terms of BG, we want this to cover. That means we want it to fit the entire width and height of the container. Let's see, do we have BG cover? Yes. Okay, let's do that. As you can see, guys, so now if we use BG cover, let's see, as you can see, so this will be more like responsive. Okay, I'm happy with this. Now that we are done with this, we might as well remove this grayish color here, because I think it was just for testing. Okay, since we have some sort of a white background there. So where is it? Okay, this is the image, and okay, BG justify gap. I wonder where is it now. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's supposed to be here. Okay, BG create, or maybe we might leave it. We will solve it as soon as we see it. Okay, because now I don't wanna lie, I don't see where is it. Okay, I really don't see where it is. Okay, cool, not a problem. We will deal this wall pry. Okay, cool, we will deal with it later. Okay, so what I want to do now, let's go back to here. What I want to do now, I don't think there's something that I really have to do here besides putting this component. Okay, because I was under the assumption that I am busy with the blurred background, okay, of which I am not working on that. As you can see, this is not a blurred background, so there's no need for us to some sort of blur the background. I think as we have some sort of finished this video. Okay, if you have made it this far, thank you so much. I appreciate your support and also your zeal or hunger for learning. See you on the next one. Thank you so much.